Hi, in this short video I will show you the different learning options that Quizlet offers to learn vocabulary. So it's best to start with the flashcards. So I'll click the flashcards here. And what it gives you is the word in English, and if you click on the white area of the card, then the Hebrew word comes up plus the pronunciation of the word, and you can always click on that again and listen to the word again. And it's recommended to repeat the word, to say it aloud after you heard it. That's how the connections are made in your brain between the way a word looks like and the way it sounds. So you go over the 10 words, and you can see your progress bar here. If you don't have a Google account from the school yet, then you don't need to worry about it. You can just close that. It's going to keep on popping up, but just keep on ignoring it. Then the learn option, once you have gone over the 10 words and memorized them, it will show you an English word and some options, and you need to try to choose the best one, the one you think is right. If you're correct, it will go to the next one. However, if you're incorrect, for example, if I choose Rehov here, it will tell you the correct answer is Ohevet, and you said Rehov, and then you can continue. And at the end, I'll just go quickly to the end. There's another one that's incorrect. It's Saba. That's a girl who loves. That's a street. Rehov. At the end it will tell you which one you did well and which one you still need to focus, and it will give you the word down here to revise again, and you can then take the test again and again. So that's the second option. Fourth option is the right, and what you will see here, and you don't have to do that option, but you do get the words, the letters down here, and you need to, so you do not need to have a Hebrew keyboard. You click on the words here, and you'll go over them as well. This stage takes a bit more time, so don't start with it. In this case, it will say the word and give you the flashcard, and you need to spell it. You click enter at the end to see that you're right. Okay, so the trick here is that once there's no check button, so once you've spelled the word, you press enter on your keyboard. Test gives you a variety of styles of questions. Some will be to write down the word, some will be to match, so you will need to drag it to the right one, if I remember correctly. And some are multiple choice. And at the end you can check your answers. And again, don't worry about the logging in. And the last thing which we have here are the two games, the match game and the gravity. The gravity is very difficult because it does take writing down the words either in Hebrew or English, and it's time-based, so it's very difficult. But the match is quite fun and easy. And what you need to do here, you get cards with words and cards with the pictures, or Hebrew and English, and you need to put them together like this. But again, what I think is best is to use the flashcards and very important to say the word aloud. Just stand in front of the computer, listen to the recording, and repeat after me. Thank you. I hope you find this helpful and enjoy.